Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today's topic is the feeling of being bored. When we say we are bored, we talk about a state where nothing seems interesting or exciting. Let's explore what being bored means and how we can express it naturally in English. Bored means you are not interested in what is happening around you. It happens when your mind wants something new or exciting, but nothing feels engaging. For example, you might say, I am bored because there is nothing fun to do. It is a common feeling that shows a lack of interest or enthusiasm. There are many ways to describe being bored. You can say, I feel bored when nothing catches your attention. You might also use words like uninterested when something fails to hold your focus, or fed up when you feel frustrated after doing the same thing for too long. Sometimes people say, I am tired of doing the same thing every day. All these phrases express boredom in different ways. There are several words and expressions that mean almost the same as bored. Uninterested means lacking curiosity or excitement. Weary describes a tired feeling that comes from repetition. Fed up means you are annoyed because something has gone on for too long. Disinterested means having no concern or emotion towards something. Listless means you lack energy or enthusiasm. Each word helps describe boredom in a slightly different way. Let's look at some examples using the word bored. I felt bored during the long lecture. Waiting for the bus made me bored and restless. She was bored at home, so she started painting. He gets bored doing the same job every day. These examples show how boredom appears in everyday life when our activities do not feel engaging. There are many natural ways to tell someone that you are bored. You could say, I am feeling uninterested in this topic, when something does not capture your attention. You might say, I am fed up with waiting all day, to show frustration. Another way is to say, I am tired of doing this again and again, which expresses boredom from repetition. You can also simply say, nothing seems fun, I am just bored. These phrases help you sound more fluent and expressive. Now, let's use these expressions in spoken practice. Try saying, I am bored, there is nothing interesting happening. Then say, I am fed up with doing the same task every day. Another example is, I am so uninterested in this conversation. And also, I think I am just tired of being indoors. Practicing aloud helps you sound natural and confident when describing your feelings. Boredom can be lifted by doing something different. You could listen to music or a podcast. Reading something interesting can refresh your mind. Starting a small creative activity like drawing or writing helps too. Taking a short walk or moving your body also makes a difference. Talking to a friend or learning something new is another great way to re-energize yourself. Finding new activities keeps your mind active and your mood positive.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.